Hi all of you, back with another video on this RHCSA course. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create your Red Hat machine, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 on Amazon AWS Amazon Web Service. So you have to open first your Amazon website. After that you have to open this. You have to sign in with a root user, and you have to write your email ID here. Now click on next. Now it's time to enter your password. Now after entering your password, you have to open this. This is your this is your AWS dashboard. So first of all, open this service, and here you can see compute. In this compute there is your EC2. You have to click on this EC2, and don't forget to click on this, because now this is, let me show you. Now this is showing your old dashboard of AWS, old console of AWS. Now this is showing your new console, so you have to click on new EC2 experience. Alright, ignore this all stuff, ignore these machines, these are my servers, ignore this. Don't change whatever region and availability zone is assigned to you. Just remain that as a default. After launching instance, you can see there are many machines: Amazon Linux 2, Mac OS, and this is your Red Hat machine. This is your free tier eligible, which means this machines come under, which means this machine comes under your free tier account. So you have to select this, and now you have to click on this T2 micro free tier eligible. Now you have to click on the next. Now click on next again. If you want to add tag, you can add tag, but let it be. Now it's time to do next, and now it's time to add rule. Now it's time to add all TCP. Just do it anywhere, and you have to do like here HTTPS. Do also anywhere, and also select this HTTP and do its source anywhere as well. Now it's time to click on next. Now it's time to click on next again. Now it's time to create a new key pair. So what key pair you have to name? Let me name, you can name anything. I am naming it Red Hat, only Red Hat. Alright, so it's time to download key pair. So as you can see here, your key pair is downloaded. Now it's time to scroll a little bit down and launch instance. Alright, launch this instance. Now it's time to scroll down and view instances. So here you can see that one is in my pending state. You can write name as well here by clicking here Red Hat. Alright, save. Now this is my Red Hat machine. So you can see, first let me refresh this machine. So first let me show you. You have to open your putty. So where is your putty? There is your putty. Here you can see in the putty that you have one putty gen. Also you have this one putty, only putty, which includes your two computers. It is showing two computers like this, and one is your this. Alright, so first you have to open this putty gen. After when you open putty gen, now it's time to load your key. Now you have to go to download. So where is my key? Now first you have to do here Now you have to do all files here. Now this is showing Red Hat PAM. Now you have to open this. Alright, and now what you have to do, now you have to save this private key on your desktop or anywhere you want. I'll prefer you to save this key on desktop. Let me write here Red Hat. You can write anything. I have written here Red Hat for remembering that this is my Red Hat machine. So now you have to save. Alright, now it's time to open this putty. Now this one putty, and now you have to copy your IP address of your machine. So this is my IP address. When you click on this machine, you can see there is your public IP v4. You have to copy and you have to paste here. Now click on SSH auth and browse your key which is on your desktop. So this is my key. Let me see, where is my Red Hat one? There is your Red Hat. Now open this. Now it's time to open this. Now you can see I am able to access my machine. Let me first see what is the username. To see that, you have to click on Red Hat machine and you have to click on connect. So now you can see what is my username. So your username is ec2-user. You can also change it, but for now you have to write here ec2-user. Alright, so now as you can see that this is you are entered in your machine. Alright, so now for big font you have to open this. You have to click here. Now change setting, and also you can change appearance. You can change font size by clicking here. You can select any number and you can select font. I love this font. And you can select color as well. Default foreground color means your font color. So let me take it as white for now and click here. Now apply. Now you can see that you are entered in your machine. I already told you in my first video of RHCSA that this is your CLI, which is your command line interface. So this is your command line. Now you have to run any command to do task. This is not your GUI. GUI means your graphical user interface. This is your GUI, graphical user interface. Alright, so from the next video I will be showing you some basic commands of Linux of Red Hat cores by which you can get familiar to Linux. So I will meet you in my next video. And also don't forget to stop your machine. How you can stop your machine? So you can stop your machine by clicking on this machine here. Now it's time to open this. Now it's time to click on this instance state and you have to stop instance. Instance means your server, your machine. You can see remote site unexpectedly closed networking connection. Close this as well. So now if you refresh, now you can see that it is stopping. Alright, so it is showing it is stopped. Now your machine is stopped as well. So don't forget to stop this machine. Alright, because AWS can charge you a bill for that. So you get 750 hours per year. So if you spend only 2 hours per day on EC2, I think it can last up to 1 year. You can access your EC2 instance throughout year. And this is my bill. Current month for total forecast is your 7.09, but don't worry, AWS won't charge you. Alright, so I think that's about for today, and this can be waived off easily. This will not deduct from your account unexpectedly. I think that's about for today. This video is all about how to access your Red Hat machine. From next video I will show you some basic commands of Linux by which you can get familiar to Linux, and create more interest on Linux. Bye for now.